Hey guys, it's Jerry Garcia with Rosetta Hardscapes. I'm here with Ryan Schares from Schares Landscaping. We're out here in Rhinebeck, Iowa. Ryan's team is actually installing a grand ledge wall, and it's actually the very first installation of this new color from Midland Concrete Products. It's the timber color. Well, Ryan, thanks for having us here.
Yeah.
I'd love to kind of get a little bit of insight what you got here. Well, just first things first, what do you think of the new color?
Love it. It's a perfect balance between the Versa-Lok and the slate gray.
Yeah.
It really ties everything in. Definitely a needed option.
Yeah. Well, tell me a little bit about what's going on here. Like, was it replacing an existing wall?
Yeah, so they had a Versa-Lok wall here. I was just kind of failing, pushing over, or basically matching heights of what was existing. Change the dimensions, angles a little bit, but overall, same form.
Yeah.
So definitely love the product. It's just like any wall. You get your base down, and after that, it's pretty quick.
Yeah. Any challenges that you came across as you were installing this, or maybe even in your first installation? Anything that kind of stood out that you would think, looking back, you would maybe do differently?
Different? I really don't think so. I mean, the first project we used on it, I decided this was the way to go. You know, with the equipment we have, the install speed is very, very fast.
What's your thought process as to how you select a product? Is it more client driven, or do you have like a vision that once you start seeing what's needed on the site?
I do. There's some jobs where the smaller block is, that's the only way, that's the only thing is, but I try and implement the larger format block in every project. I mean, there's so much value to it. It's wet cast, first of all. You see dry cast like that retaining wall over there. I mean, look at it, it's fading. This, you're not gonna have that.
Yeah.
And then, you know, the moisture comes through that walls. This wall is not going to. Longevity, that's what I say, if it's your forever home, wet cast is the only way to go.
Well, Ryan, I appreciate you taking the time, showing us what you guys have going on here. And again, congrats on the first timber colored installation here in Iowa.
Where's my belt? No.
Yeah, you get a trophy.